Connecting a Trust wallet to Binance is a straightforward process. To begin, download and install the necessary apps. Then log in to both by entering your details. Once logged in, open the Trust Wallet app, which will display various buttons such as Send, Receive, Buy, and Earn, as well as a range of tokens, including NFTs. At the bottom of the screen, you will find buttons for Wallet, Map, Discover, Browse, and Settings. Click on the Receive button, located at the top, and search for BNB Smart Chain in the search bar. Select BNB Smart Chain. Then click on the Copy button to copy the barcode link, which can be added manually to the Binance app. Alternatively, you can click on the Deposit button, which will prompt the Binance app to open. From there, enter the desired amount and confirm. This will establish a connection between the Trust wallet and the Binance app, completing the process.